The installer menu contains all the configuration parameters and is password protected. IDNext 1000, accessing the installer menu. Power on the controller. To unlock the keyboard, press and hold the down arrow key for at least 5 seconds until UNL appears. Press and hold the set button for 5 seconds until DIF appears. Use the arrow keys to scroll to PA2. Press Set. Enter the installer password, default 15. Confirm by pressing Set. The IDNext 1000 comes with default parameters setting already suitable for most refrigeration applications. If necessary, the installer will adjust the remaining parameters, ensuring the proper behavior of the machine.